On behalf of ExpertVillage.com, my name is Allison at Western Art Glass. I'm going to be talking about the tools needed to do beginning copper foil or stained glass. So check it out. First thing you're going to need is you're going to need eye protection at least. Never doubt that your eyes are very vital. So anyway, wear something on your eyes. And then the other things you need, you're going to need a glass cutter. There are different types of glass cutters, and what changes is just the grip. So whatever's comfortable with you, that's what you go with. This is a pistol grip. This is a pencil grip. I prefer to use the pencil grip. So you've got a cutter. You've got pliers and or what are called grozers or grozer breaking pliers. These are called running pliers. We've got pattern shears. Your foil's going to take up some space on your glass, and so it has a groove in the shear here to allot for that allotted space the foil takes up. You're going to need some wire cutters. These are a little bit different. These are called lead dikes. They cut lead. You need some Sharpies. And I prefer a pencil and eraser. You need to erase a lot. You can tell by the shape of my eraser. So don't use a pen. Keep the Sharpies. You're going to need razor blade, soldering iron, temperature control, some tacks, some regular scissors, some gloves. And I like to work on drywall. It's cheap, inexpensive, and it's disposable. So on the next step, I'm going to show you what to do with some of these tools. So check it out.